Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the ear speaker problem in your device VIVO Y55 and Y55 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the ear speaker or the calling speaker of the device, like your speaker is not working or any other such problem, you can fix it by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the ear speaker in your device. Let's watch it.